All right, out here with my buddy Matt. We're hitting FM TRO. Let's get sucked into this. I'm doing this on my brand new build here. Jeep JL. Got the 1 tons under it, the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss 40-inch tall tires. I got 12 PSI in each tire, you know what I'm saying? I probably could run them a little lower, but if I need to take air out, I will. Let's get to it. That way. Fun way. He asked me if I wanted to take a bypass. What are you doing? We're gonna break it. We're gonna break it right now. Break it in the morning. That way you can work on it in the afternoon. You know what I'm saying? What is this? That is uncomfortably close. I'm going up the fun way. Ooh. That's for body damage right there. Oh no! All right, well that's done. Yeah. So I looked at it and said, that's for body damage. Oh no, dude. Alright. Oh, it's got a new scratch in it. Cool.
That's cool at least. You're gonna be leaning this way. Yeah, I turn this way.
Yeah. Well, it went right up after I dug the door into a rock, you know.
It don't look too bad.
It felt real bad. Let me tell you.
It sounded bad.
That noise was not happy. I'm happy that window's up.
Right? That's why I don't have doors on.
Yep.
Better back tires than my back tires. It's dented in a little bit, but it ain't bad.
Got swirly twirly gumdrops on there. Yeah, it'll be alright.
Mr. Hand. Still works.
I'm gonna run down there and grab it real quick.
come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you can move, move, body, move, move your body till you can.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss.
Ooh, don't break it.
Okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know the scheme, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top.
So this is where Cody's kid, or Audrina, tried to kill Cody.
It could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive. It will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life. You need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes. You need to be free.
Different line than what he had.
Move, body, move, move your body till you can move, move, body, move, move your body till you can.
Holla, wait a minute, bitch, I'm back. Got my hands around their neck like I don't know how to act. They can't imitate or replicate what I do, it's a rap. Bitch, I'm turning up, the price went up, yeah, you could do the math. Holla, round they neck. Yeah. Doing it better than ya. I raise the frequency when I step in the room. Look at her, look at me. Snap, I got the juice, yeah. Ay, I don't hesitate, I just apply the pressure, ay. And you know I ate, I send it out to orbit space. I ain't no average, when they see me, they go manic. When they see me on the move, that is when they start to panic. Head to toe, I got that magic. I'm confident and I'm classy. I'm the next big thing. On the throne is where I'm landing, yeah. Holla, wait a minute, bitch, I'm back. Got my hands around their neck like I don't know how to act. They can't imitate or replicate what I do, it's a rap. Bitch, I'm turning up, the price went up, yeah, you could do the math. Holla, round they next big thing on the yeah. Holla, round they yeah, fuck it up, yeah. Doing it better than ya. Let's go, ayy. Yaron Primark, yeah. Ayy, Makata, yeah. Let's get it, yeah.
Alright, so that thing in front of me right there, that's Damn It Derek. Damn It Derek is an absolute blast. Oh, they got signs up that say extreme now. Oh, look at that. This is extreme. Wow. Anyways, Penthouse is a blast, and that's what we're doing now. I'm going to try to get a little bit right there, a little bit of hood. And the last time I did this, there's a sign, Penthouse. The last time I come up this, it was pouring rain. Well, I mean, it had stopped raining as we got into the park. So this was an absolute soup bowl. And I mean, this is that Texas mud, that grease, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no normal mud. This is that you don't want to be in it kind of mud. You ever seen a truck stuck on wet grass? Well, that's how these Jeeps feel on this. Anyways, we're getting ready to get sucked into it. This is a fun trail. I love coming up this trail.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then.
Normally you shouldn't do this, but I'm trying to get around him so I can get up there and put a winch on him if he needs it. So slide around you in case you need a winch.
I'll make it eventually.
Well, I'm just gonna get up here in case you need one. Now, I don't know if you can tell how big this is. This is massive. And I've done this on 35s and on 37s. But boy, does it just pop right up on 40s. Wow, look at that. Wowee! No rev limiter, nothing. Is he trying to reset? Or is he getting off? This is terrifying. I'm scared for him, dude.
Get us every day. Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. This sound like Argentina. Had to fist my demeanor. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rose like God and Jesus. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real.
Rear locker only. And basically just go up it. Waiting for Matt to catch up so you can see how I do it, because this isn't I don't want to say speed, but don't stop. You know what I'm saying? Like that lip at the top makes you feel like you should be stopping, but you definitely shouldn't be. I feel like I picked both front tires up in the air doing that, buddy. Get back there and film Matt. You gotta hit it. You gotta. It does, dude. It sends that front tire clean up in the air. There you go, there you go, yeah! Yeah, buddy!
Plastic bars from a copy my Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Plastic bars when I copy my steel.